Hello YouTubers and gig workers, welcome to my channel. I hope everyone is having a great time wherever you are. So today I'll be working Uber Eats and DoorDash from 11:15 to 1:15 on a Sunday lunch hours. So let's hope we can make $20 an hour on a Sunday. So come along for the ride. Please subscribe, give a thumbs up, watch the video to the end because I always do the breakdown and the tips of the end. So let's go make some money. Money. The time is 11:18. I'm just gonna log into my Uber Eats. Uber Eats running there. DoorDash. I have my first order, Uber Eats. Okay, this order is a McDonald's order. I'm just gonna go grab it. Arrive at customer M. Her instruction says leave it at door, do not ring doorbell, just leave on front porch. This order paid $9.13. When I accepted it was $6.60. So I waited like 10 minutes at McDonald's. Uber at least paid me extra few bucks for waiting. Thank you, Uber. Thank you very much. 7 items. Zero tip because the base pay is $6 and it's going 5 kilometers. I'm not gonna accept that. Just these are the customer that give you bad ratings, and these are the customers that says, oh, I didn't receive my food. You ordered 7 items and you didn't leave any tips. Sorry, I'm not gonna take your order. So I have another order from DoorDash. 5 kilometers, $8. I'll accept that. Thank you. Arrive at Daily Grind Coffee. I have to pick up 1 milkshake, 1 chicken roast, and 1 Caesar salad. Yummy. So I pick up that order. Customer is 6 minutes away and they're living in an apartment building. Arrive at customer. She said leave it at the door. Yeah, let's go leave it at the door. She's in number 40. Where the hell is number 40? I don't know. I have to go look for number 40. So the time is 12:20. $9.13 from Uber Eats and $8 from DoorDash. And I started at 11:18. So we look, our target's $20 an hour. So we're behind $20. We're not at $20. We're like $17 here. Come on, Uber Eats, DoorDash. I need to make $25 in the next hour. So I have an order from Uber Eats, $9.46, 6.1 kilometers. I'll accept that. Another McDonald's order. Arrive at McDonald's and it's 12:30. So let's see how long it's gonna take at McDonald's. There, it's 12:30. And I'm arrive at McDonald's. Right? Okay, let's see how long it takes. It took me 9 minutes. Should be 5, be okay. 9 minutes, pretty long. It's not fast food anymore. Fast food should be like 5 minutes at least. Customer is 6 minutes away, 6.6 kilometers. So, arrive at customer and leave a message here. Leave it at the door. Please leave on the doorstep. Note, the grass is muddy. Use the driveway or sidewalk. Thank you, customer, to let me know the grass is muddy. I don't want to mess up my nice shoes. picture of that, so I deliver that order. Let's see if Uber pay extra. Oh, 9.46. They didn't pay extra on that one for waiting. The order from Uber Eats, $7.56, 4 kilometers. I'll accept that. So this is a Quizno order. I love Quizno. I like Quizno better than Subway because of their bread. It's nice and soft bread. Okay. So this says it's gonna be a few more minutes. The time is 12:58. Okay, there's a pizza up there. Customer says, do not leave at the front door. Deliver to the side door and ring doorbell. Thank you. Okay, let's go deliver to the side door. Oh damn, I didn't take the picture. I forgot to take a picture, but I leave it on the table at the side door. So I just text them a message there. I don't know how much does that pay. $12.20. So I think Uber pay me for waiting again. Thank you very much, Uber. So the time is 1:22. I'm just gonna end my shift now because I'm just gonna work 2 hours. So end my shift with Uber Eats, and I'll give you guys a summary right now. So hello guys, welcome back, and this is the summary. I'll start with DoorDash first. I had one order for $8. Base pay was $6. Customer tip $2. Then I had 3 orders with Uber Eats. This one was $13.44. Customer tip $4.31. Second one was $13.05. Customer tip $3.59. And the last one was $17.76. Customer tip $5.56. So between DoorDash and Uber Eats, the total is $52.25. Minus your $5 gas, that's equal $47.25. Divided by 2, give you $23.62. I will say that's very good for Sunday lunch hours, because lunch hours on Sunday it's really slow. So thank you guys for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, and peace out.